Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Yellow Mountain Garden. I'm Malcolm Banks, and I'm at a 7A plant zone. And as you can see over here, I just got a new tool in, and they call it the duck hole. So I'm over here just giving it a test run, about to get the onion plot ready in our plant zone. I'll probably start planting in the middle of next month or maybe at the beginning of March. If we get some real frozen days coming in, I'll cover everything up. But yeah, like green onions and everything like that, they can start taking it pretty much in our growing zone because the nighttime gonna start getting a little warmer. Start next month, and the days gonna start getting longer. So the plants will actually get more heat and more sunlight. You'll start seeing me do more videos, transplanting everything inside of the greenhouse and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna take you up close and let you see how this thing work. It worked pretty good. You can make rows with it too as well. I don't know if you can see it real good, but it plows up real good. That's it right here. Got a nice, I'm 6'3", so this is a big pole. It's kind of taller than me. As you can see, it's real tall. Work real good. I can't work it with one hand. If so, I would, show you on the video, but as you can see, it tills up real good. So I'm about to do plot after plot each week. Then I'm gonna come over here and do this plot. Then I'm gonna come over here and do this plot. Then I'm gonna go over there and do that plot. And we'll just keep going and do different plots. And we're gonna get around about, I say about 2,500 square foot worth of plots going on.